If you were ready to have your manifestation, you'd have it right now. If you are too paralyzed with fear or worry or doubt or listening to your insecurities or just plain affirming the fact that you're not where you want to be, all of those things keep you away. So in this episode of Roxy Talks, we're going to talk about exactly why you need that time lag and why the bridge of incidence is exactly where you want to be. Stay tuned. What is up, my fellow dreamers and soul searchers? Thank you for joining me here for another episode of Roxy Talks, where we discuss confidence, mindset, manifestation, and more. I'm Roxy Lee. I'm a mindset coach, and I'm here to help you banish your negative thinking and limiting beliefs so you can bring love, clarity, and joy into your life. You can also join me on social media. I'm on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Now, before we get into this video, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you're feeling generous, please like and share. That helps us reach as many people as possible, and everyone deserves to know that they are in complete control of their reality. Now, let's say we're talking about an SP, a person, a relationship, some sort of love interest. I can hear how many people already are like, I'm ready, I've been ready, I know I'm ready. But if that were the case, would you not already have it? If your thoughts were where they needed to be at the moments they needed to be there, your person would be here. Your manifestation would be here because you would be fully aligned to the reality where they're already here if you were thinking the thoughts that align to the reality where they're already here. The world's a mirror. So if you aren't in the reality where they're already here, then you definitely are not thinking enough thoughts that match up to that reality. Even though you might be in a waiting period or on the bridge of incidence, that's okay because what you're doing during this time is perfecting your ability to manifest. And that's good. We're glad we're here. It's a good thing you're taking this time to figure yourself out and figure out how you work so that when you do get your manifestation, you know how to move forward in your chosen reality and not put yourself right back to your old self. Being in that waiting period is kind of like being a med student. You're not quite a doctor yet, so you can't be operating, right? And they don't want to give you a scalpel right away because you're not ready. You're not prepared. You have not yet reached the point that you need to be in order to step into that role or embody that version of you that you see in your end goal. Your manifestation is not where you need it to be yet because you are not yet the version of you that you need to be to fulfill that role. And that doesn't mean that you aren't close or that you aren't on your way, but you aren't there now. So you can be sure that you're not there now, right? So you just want to be making sure that you're keeping yourself focused on moving forward and carrying out the motions that that version of you would have done 3 days, 6 weeks, 4 months before their manifestation showed up. That version of you still had it today. So why do we need this time period? Why do we need this time lag? Why do we need this space, this bridge of incidence, this unfolding process? Again, you need to be prepared for the manifestation that you have decided that you wanted. It's not that you can't have it. It's just that maybe some things are a bit further out than you realize from your personal and current level of capabilities. So let's say that my dream, my biggest dream in the entire world was to be a pilot. Being a pilot is my SP. It's my number one goal. I'm affirming it. I'm mental dieting it. I am thinking about it in positive ways all day. I'm choosing the thoughts of me being a pilot. I'm living that life, okay? I'm truly a pilot in my mind. Now, if that desire manifested right now, me and everybody else on my plane are completely fucked. Please let there be a co-pilot or autopilot or something because I am not ready. Now, I might be ready to Google flight school. I might be ready to see what it entails. I might be ready to talk to some people who are pilots and find out what kind of process they went through. But I am not ready to be sitting in the cockpit of a plane right now with my hands on the little dealy bob. I'm not ready for it, right? And even though I may manifest it right this moment, I am a pilot, I'm doing it now, I'm the world's best pilot, Amelia Earhart, I got you, bitch, I'm gonna find you, whatever. Like now, just because I don't find myself in the cockpit of a plane right now does not mean that I have not shifted myself right in that moment into a reality where I am a pilot. Because I still have an unfolding process to go through. I couldn't fly a plane right now, no matter how I wanted. This version of me couldn't do it. I could not wrap my mind around it enough to allow that information in. Oh, maybe I could. I don't know. I'd be scared shitless. I know that. Any hoodles, my point is sometimes there is more to the path that we have chosen than we realize. And that's okay. Sometimes there are more stepping stones on the path that we've chosen to be on than we realize. Sometimes we're going back and forth over the same steps over and over and over again, and we don't realize it. So we're not able to move forward. Maybe that bridge of incidents or that path isn't even that long, but because we can't move forward and keep ourselves focused with momentum going in the direction we want to be in, we're so consumed with counterproductive thoughts that we don't make progress, and we end up staying on that waiting period. So what you can do is embrace this unfolding process, embrace the waiting, because there's magic in the waiting. There's magic in these moments because this is where you learn, this is where you grow, this is where you get better, this is where you become that version. This is where we go to pilot school and we become the pilot who's able to fly the plane with confidence and land it too, right? We want to do the whole process. We want to be good from start to finish. And if I'm talking flight school, that's one of those kind of things that I don't want to skip out on any sort of lesson. I want to be there for every single lesson. I want to study every single chapter. I want to get as much hands-on training as I possibly can because my life is at stake. So I'm not going to mess around. I'm not going to mess around in flight school. I'm going to take it seriously, absorb it, become the best possible pilot that I can be so that when I am in the cockpit of that plane, I know that me and everybody on that are going to safely make it to our destination because I'm at the wheel or the helm or the whatever, the doohickeys, the sticks. Growing too big too fast causes growing pains. If you aren't there yet, that's okay. Embrace it. Understand that you might have more things to focus on. You might have limiting beliefs that you still haven't addressed yet or don't realize are there. You might have language in the way that is causing you to jump right back into your old reality the second you stop paying attention. Whatever it is, just be on the lookout for what you might be doing, what you might still need to learn, or what you need to get real about, and just do it. Because the sooner you do it, the faster you get through flight school, the sooner you will be in the cockpit of your plane, right? So just make sure that you allow yourself to do the work, embrace it, don't be afraid of it, because once you have that knowledge, it can't ever be taken away from you. And this is what makes you good at everything you do, is accumulating as much knowledge as you can. And plus, the more you work on perfecting your craft to stay focused for this particular manifestation, the more you work on your craft at manifestation in general. And that's pretty much the goal here. So I want you to comment down below. I get better every single day. I get better every single day. Whatever it is that you're working on, whatever it is that you're doing or aiming for in your life, you get better every day, and that's pretty awesome. The world is a mirror, and the universe gives you reflections of what you are. It gives you reflections of what you think about and the way you think about it. So if you are constantly soaking up woe is me thoughts, feeling alone, thinking you're going to be alone forever, wondering when it's going to come, wondering why it hasn't come, crying about it, feeling sad, feeling empty, feeling like you'll never be happy without it. These feelings are extremely counterproductive. And I'm not saying they're not valid. I'm not saying that you don't have every right to feel that way. I'm just saying, shut the fuck up about it for a second so that your manifestation can come through. And that's said with love. That's said like a sister to sister, like, bitch, do you want this person? Okay, what you need to do then is stop talking about the fact that they are not here. And I don't mean just out loud talking, I mean mental talk too. We know how important a mental diet is. Getting your mental diet in check will solve this problem for you. So in today's episode of Roxy Talks, we are discussing exactly what you can do if you find you're missing your specific person so that you do not derail your manifestation. Stay tuned. What is up, my fellow dreamers and soul searchers? Thank you for joining me here for another episode of Roxy Talks, where we discuss confidence, mindset, manifestation, and more. I'm Roxy Lee. I'm a mindset coach, and I'm here to help you banish your negative thinking and limiting beliefs so you can bring love, clarity, and joy into your life. If you are looking to manifest the best version of your ideal relationship, whether that's with a current partner or somebody you're not with at the moment, check out my Manifest a Specific Person workshop. It's a 9-module course designed to help you get to the bottom of whatever it is that is standing in the way between you and your ideal relationship and partner. You can check check out the Manifest a Specific Person workshop at my website, roxytalks.com. Of course, that link is in the description below. And if you'd like more help with your own personal situation, head to my website, roxytalks.com, for courses, workshops, and coaching. And don't forget to follow me on social media. I'm on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Now, before we get into this video, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you're feeling generous, please like and share. That helps us reach as many people as possible, and everyone deserves to know that they are in complete control of their reality. So when you are missing your specific person, you're not separate from your person. You couldn't be separate from them if you tried. So the second you stop defining yourself as separate from them, as hard to blah, 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 alone forever, this doesn't work for me, all that shit. The second you stop defining yourself that and wearing the name tag of that is the second you stop being it. You don't have to be, it doesn't even have to take a long time. It just takes you stopping saying it, stopping defining your situation like that. Even if you do miss your person, fine. We don't need to let the universe in on that, because when you miss something, you affirm that it is not around you. It goes hand in hand. It happens in the same moment. I miss the thing because it's not here with me. I don't miss this pen because it is right here. Couldn't miss it if I tried. It's right the fuck there. Don't miss it. Don't need it. You must take control of your thoughts on every single subject. Of course, including your specific person, but all over the place, because you might be indulging in lack and doubt in other areas. You might be so used to feeling woe is me about stuff constantly that you are putting that onto every area of your life. So what you're going to do when you find yourself missing your specific person, feeling like they're not there, feeling like it's taking a long time, feeling like it's never going to come, wondering if it ever will, all of those types of unproductive and not worth a second of our fucking attention thoughts, when you have those, you're going to catch them, because we're aware, right? We're working on our mental diet. We are using our awareness to pay attention to when we do the old thing that keeps us in our old reality that we don't want to be in anymore. So you're going to catch yourself starting to indulge in missing, absence, lack. And what you're going to do is you're going to spiral on gratitudes and platitudes, things that you're grateful for, and self-soothing, easy shit in the moment. A nice, cozy, warm blanket. Energy flows where attention goes, right? So put your attention on how great things are for you, and energy will flow towards great things happening for you, okay? The world is a mirror. Remember that. You must be great or feel good or say that you feel good so that more things to feel good about come your way. You don't even have to feel good. You just need to say that you do, okay? Gratitudes and platitudes. It feels really good. It's self-soothing. For me, it's easier to get myself out of a worked up state by it's all gooding it versus trying to use specific affirmations that in theory counterbalance that situation, but maybe won't when I'm spiraling. So at the end of the day, the answer is always the same. Recognize when you are telling a story that does not line up or match you to your chosen reality. And missing your specific person certainly does not match you up to the reality of you having them with you, around you, and near you, and not far away at all. Change the story and then be the change. You have to be it. You can't expect your world to show up differently if you won't show up differently. It doesn't make sense. The world's a mirror. Act like it. Only display behavior and thoughts that you want to continue experiencing. Otherwise, don't even bother driving yourself crazy constantly trying to nail this if you're not going to be diligent with it. So I want you to comment down below. It's already done. This is an easy one. It's already done. It's already done. They're already mine. They're already here. It's already done. It's already done. I'm good. I don't have to worry about that. Because I want you to tell yourself something generic, something easy. When you start to worry about your person or miss them or feel the absence of them, remind yourself, you know what? It's already done. And the more I leave worrying off the table, the faster and quicker it comes to me. If you are looking to really hone in on your specific situation when it comes to love and relationships, check out my Manifest a Specific Person workshop. It will help you get to the bottom of what is standing in your way between you and your ideal relationship. You can check out that workshop at my website, roxytalks.com. Of course, that link is in the description below. And if you're looking for more insight on your personal situation, I've also got courses, workshops, and coaching at my website, roxytalks.com. And don't forget to join me on social media. I am on TikTok, Instagram, and and Facebook. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you never miss an update. And if you're feeling generous, please like and share. That helps us reach as many people as possible, and everyone deserves to know that they are in complete control of their reality. We're all raising our vibrations together. You have the power. I believe in you.